Ruto.
Kiumia kihituku muciini wa Washington DC bururi-ini wa Amerika, thirikari ya Kenya na ya Amerika nimekiranire ngirimiti wiguano uyu kiuga ruhonge rwa urigitani bururi-ini wa Kenya nirukwamukira hakuhi ciringi bilioni 200 kwa ihinda ria miaka 5 kuhitukira thirikari kuma kuri thirikari ya Amerika, undu uria wamukirirwo na nganja na uregani ni ikundi imwe. No riu President William Ruto nierite honge citari cia githirikari iria ikoretwo igiukirira ngirimiti ino ciugukirie marakara mao kuri thirikari ya Amerika kuona riri riari itua riao na tiria thirikari ya Kenya.
The government of the United States themselves, they made a decision that they don't want to give their money to NGOs. They want to give their money to government. It is not our decision. It is their decision. So if anybody is annoyed in between here, they should take their anger to another place.
Agitetera ngirimiti ino hindi ya kigomano kia 12 gia thirikari nene na cia county, Ruto ugite thirikari ya Amerika yakinyanirie itua riri niguo gutigirira uteithio uyu ni wakinyira aria mabataire, agikinyiriria uteithio uyu ni ugukinyira nginya thirikari cia matura.
If they have a problem with the current structure, they should go and talk to the government of the United States, because they are the ones who decided that for efficiency and efficacy, they want these resources to come directly to government and to give assurance to the county governments here that those resources will find their way to our counties.
Nigukoretwo na ciuria ciigie ngirimiti ino gukorwo ikiiga hatikaini riboti cia Akenya ciigie ugima wa mwiri kuri thirikari ya Amerika, no riu Ruto eranira ndagitikira kuiga miturire ya Akenya hatikaini. Neno ni ngirimiti ya thurimitwo wega ni thirikari ya Kenya mbere ya wiguano uyu gukinyanirio.
The Office of the Attorney General, and she's here, went through the agreement with a tooth comb to make sure that when it comes to matters data, the law that prevails on data that belongs to the people of Kenya is the Kenyan law. We will not allow ourselves to be taken advantage of by anybody. Even if there was an opportunity for anybody to take advantage of us, we will not allow it.
Oho President no atheretie wagagu uria ukoretwo ho wa ngirimiti ino gukorwo uri ngombo. Mutongoria wa bururi akiuga hatiri murigo wa ngombo bururi wa Kenya ugukuithio kumana na wiguano uyu.
This facility is not alone. I have seen some comments whether we are contracting more debt. Just to assure the nation that this is not a loan facility. I have also been careful to make sure that the negotiations were clear.
GUTETERA Kameme TV, Ritoria kwa ni Mubi Washege.